moves. Headlights adjust for return. Interesting. Here we are, new daily driver. Unfortunately, yes, it is an auto, but that's okay. It's gonna serve us the purpose that we have for it. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back for another video today. Today, I'm in a new daily, and finally replaced my other shit box, my Exploder. So yeah, in something brand new today. It's actually not too bad. I thought it was going to be a lot worse than I was expecting, but the DSG isn't that bad at all. So yeah, the car is a 2016 GTI DSG, and yeah, it's amazing. This thing loves turns. It hugs the ground. Bumps are but fuel economy when you're just coasting on the highway is over 30 miles a gallon, which is great. Yeah, the car is great. I haven't had a Volkswagen in years, and I guess this was the one to bring it back. So my last Volkswagen was a 2000 Golf automatic, and I wanted it manual, and that didn't pan out, but I found something that was auto because might need it just in case. And everybody that had something that was manual, it had a load of mileage, it was beat to shit, clapped out. So I just went with something that was a little bit different. I know not everybody loves Volkswagens. I know everybody's like, oh, it's a check engine light waiting to happen. Yeah, but that's when you do stupid shit. Right now I'm keeping this car stock. Maybe later on, maybe in the future I'll put a tune on it, but as of right now, I just want it stock. I just want to enjoy the car as it is. I might take it to track course events, so might actually do that. That would be pretty cool. That would be a great test of the car as well as the driver capabilities. But yeah, I haven't done a track course event in a while, and I haven't really had a car to do it in. What other car than a Volkswagen GTI? It's German, it's engineered, and pretty sure that they make it for a little bit of racing concept. So everything else that I was looking at just wasn't good enough. I was looking at some Honda SIs, Honda Civic SI, I should say. Just couldn't find something that was in the ballpark, within the range, within the mileage. So I found this, and the gentleman was a very, very organized gentleman. He's a great guy. Had service records on his car and had all the details on his ownership, which was only a couple years, and not like a boatload of mileage, which was great also. So yeah, the seller was a very professional man. It was adult kept, and it was adult taken care of. Things were serviced as they're supposed to be. Might need to change the cabin filter, the air filter, depends. Probably gonna do that anyway. Definitely need tires right now, so that's my next biggest thing. In terms of safety and control, I will be getting tint on this car. Not out of the ordinary, but for me, normally I hate tint because usually when people do tint, they bring attention to themselves. So be doing a little bit of tint, probably on the front. I don't know about the windshield, but on the front, I'll definitely do between 15 to 25% on the front, and in the back, about 5%. It'll help with keeping the car cool. So I'm currently on the way to work right now. So yeah, that's currently my driving. So on the way to work right now, And it's a Friday, so casual dress down day. Yeah, got some things in store for this car. Don't really see myself modifying it really at all, or very much at all. So my goal will just be some tint, some tires. I don't know where this guy's going. This guy's like trying to ride up over here. Yeah, so that's pretty much the goal. Enjoy the car, keep it stock, enjoy it as is, see how we do. And maybe in the future, get a Cobb, get a tune, make some ridiculous power out of a little, 2.0 turbo. We'll have to wait and see. All right, so here's with the vehicle. I'm gonna show you the clips, and I'll have some commentary in the recording. So this is the cluster. This is what it looks like. Cluster has a lot of cool things. You can see distance, travel time, the range. Actually shows oil temperature, which is cool. You could do a speed warning. Shows you your speed in case you don't pay attention to the needle, which actually, if you're going 25 in a 25 area, that's actually very helpful. So got other areas here. So this is based on the car. It changes the display when your finger gets close. So pressing on the car, it can show you different stats. It can show you the boost. I believe this is engine temperature, and then here's your lateral forces or your G forces. So it's pretty cool. It can show you, consumption of gas. Shows you different, parameters based on how you drive. Since you've refueled, which I just got full tank last night. So this shows you kind of more of a consistent value for driving. Don't know anything about this, but it's cool. So it shows you consumption while you drive. Pretty cool. So it has a auxiliary. You've got your standard radio, FM, AM. Does have Sirius XM, which I will be getting. So yeah, it's got some pretty cool stuff. Let's see what else. You can control everything. You see the vehicle. You can look at images. Apparently, that's what things are in your SD card reader for. So you can look up different images, and then you have a setup. So it's pretty cool. You got sound. You can change how you hear things. Has a subwoofer. Pretty cool stuff. But yeah, that's it. Does have stuff for the phone. Does have navigation. I'm not showing that because of where I am. So yeah, but it does have a mode. You can select mode or sport or individual, but normal's fine. So it's pretty cool. When you use the DSG and say you put the brake in, pull it to drive, you get the D, you shift it towards you, enable sport, back to drive. So you just toggle it, that's it. And then if you want to change it, you just pull the tabs, and then you can engage sport mode as well. You can control the shifts. It's pretty intense. It's pretty cool. But yeah, it takes a little bit of getting used to, and that's what it is. So I'm not used to an automatic in this kind of a feature whatsoever, but it's pretty cool stuff. And yeah, just gonna take care of the car, drive it, enjoy it, live life. Maybe in the fast lane, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So, but that's gonna do it for right now. Let's do some other video and photos of the car. Stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.